Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, so I've done the installation of a shutter for the concrete along the wall, and tomorrow I'm gonna pour this blackout for this clean out. So as you can see, they are parallel, and also gonna pour this concrete around the post. So I gotta protect it from damage due to rain. So what I gotta do tomorrow when I pour it, I just make a slope or taper around the post so that the water won't stay around it. Yeah. So and then after pouring tomorrow, while waiting to get dry, I'm gonna put the blackout for this clean out as well. And then if I have still time, I have to put a shutter from this point to this point here, which is for the water channel, and 60 mil concrete. So I'm gonna put the shutter here as well, because after that we have a subsoil drain in this area here. So this is the level of subsoil drain, and this is the level of subsoil drain. So this is about 3% slope, and I already prepared the so this is the formworks I'm gonna put in here. Yeah, so I might gonna do it tomorrow as well. So that's the situation there. So I'm gonna put a concrete on this side here and along here, so that the water won't go inside this property. Yeah. So that's the activities I gotta do tomorrow, and I gotta put shutter as well outside this fence, so I can put it the concrete along the boundary wall, so the concrete will end on this side, so it should be coincide with this joint here. And then when I finish everything, I gotta pour this portion to connect this part here up to here. Again, just to connect this point here to this point. So, but I have to finish all this concrete along the boundary wall before I gonna do that, because I have to remove this shutter. Alright, by the way, today is Wednesday. It's 16th of September 2020, and the time now is 5:50 in the afternoon. So as you can see, we have a nice weather today. So beautiful weather. Yeah, my son bought 12 bags of builder's mix, so I can pour concrete tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, it's a bit messy at the moment, but once this concrete finish, so I'm gonna clean it. But maybe we need another a week to finish all up. Alright, my friends, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and press the bell button, and again press all so you can watch or update with my videos uploaded daily or every couple of days. I hope you like my short presentation how to pour this concrete footpath. Alright, see you tomorrow. God bless, and hope everyone's safe, COVID free. And by the way, New Zealand is on alert level 2 at the moment, so they said they're gonna drop to level 1 next week. Hopefully no more COVID cases. Alright friends, see you next time. Please be safe, God bless, and bye for now.